Hey guys, welcome to Creative Picks. I'm Ritvika Gupta and this week I'll be reviewing ads by Burger King India, Asian Paints and Kalyan Jewellers. Let's get started. For Valentine's Day this year, Burger King India has rolled out a film featuring matchmaker Seema Taparia, better known as Seema Auntie. In the film, Seema Auntie, who was part of the Netflix reality show Indian Matchmaking, urges viewers to break up, end the dry relationship and stop compromising on size. In her typical style, she goes on to add that her efforts are meaningless if one keeps compromising.
And how long will you compromise on size? No size, no swag, very simple. Ultimately, my efforts are meaningless if you keep settling for less. You must find someone who fits your criteria. Relationship में flame होनी चाहिए. It's very important. You want spice, taste, excitement, this, that, then why adjust? इसलिए ये Valentine's Day ये सूखे छोटे बोरिंग बर्गर से ब्रेकअप कर लो and date the bigger, juicier, crunchier flavor Whopper. Now your stars are aligned.
Of course, Seema from Mumbai is urging viewers to break up with the boring, small and dry burger and date the Whopper. I thought the ad was really funny and what a creative spin. Indian Matchmaking was a rage on social media when it debuted. Some called it cringe, some called it silly. I mean, it was one of those shows which you can hate or like but can't ignore. So Burger King India joined the bandwagon to create this hilarious and relatable Seema Auntie ad, that too for Valentine's Day. I think this was a winner from the start. The team at Burger King cleverly leveraged pop culture, adapted Seema Auntie's popular or unpopular relationship advice and made it extremely relatable for viewers. Overall, this was a clever gimmick and super fun to watch. Asian Paints has come up with a quirky new ad for the Ultima Protect directed by Prasoon Pandey. The ad features Ranbir Kapoor in a double role. He plays an elderly matchmaker, much like Seema Auntie, trying to find the right groom for a young girl. Ranbir, as the matchmaker, drives her through many houses in a town, but much to his disappointment, she rejects all of them. Just like Seema Auntie, he even calls her demanding. But finally, their search ends at the perfect house. How did they spot it? Well, you guessed it right. It was laminated with Ultima Protect. Turns out the house also belongs to a young Ranbir who ends up being the perfect match for the girl. The message that a house that's laminated with Ultima Protect is indeed the perfect match for a homeowner comes through easily.
Wow. आपने घर को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया?
जी मैंने घर पे लैमिनेशन वाला पेंट लगवा लिया. एशियन पेंट्स अल्टीमा प्रोटेक्ट.
That's so smart.
तो बात फाइनल. आपकी शादी इस वाह देखो देखो छोकरा कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. आपकी शादी इसी घर से होगी.
Lamination wala exterior paint.
For the Ultima Protect campaigns over the years, we have seen Ranbir playing a romantic rainmaker, a politician and now a matchmaker. Even though the ad is pretty simple, there's a certain fun and madness which is quite evident in the work. Props to the team for coming up with such crazy ideas each time because let's be honest, who really thinks about lamination guards except for when we really need them? But when advertised in such an entertaining manner, you're almost convinced that this is the ultimate exterior protection for your home. Love the idea and the execution. Kalyan Jewellers has launched an ad film featuring brand ambassador Amitabh Bachchan along with many other celebrities from different regions. The film is part of its Trust is Everything campaign. It is a beautiful, multilingual ad that celebrates different identities, languages, cultures and traditions. The ad traces the journey of brides from the day of the engagement to jewelry shopping with family and to the wedding. They're all woven together by the emotion of trust. Through this ad, the jewelry brand also establishes the importance of consumer trust and how much it means to them. In times like these, trust happens to be the most important quality for any brand, and brand trust is also more important than ever for consumers. So this was a good move on their part to create a commercial that revolves around trust and rope in well-known and widely admired celebrities from different regions.
நகாஸ் நெக்லஸ் டெம்பிள் ஆரம் லக்ஷ்மி உடையான போட்டுட்டு நீங்க மணமேடைக்கு வந்தா மதுரை மீனாட்சியை நேர்ல பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். பாருங்கம்மா.
આ રાણી હારથી તો ગુજરાતની રાજકુમારી જેવી દેખાઈશ. 91.6% perfect BIS hallmark purity.
Ruby Emerald Haram చాలా మంచి సెలెక్షన్. It comes with Kalyan 4-level assurance certificate. Shall we bill it?
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮನೆ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದ ಮನೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಸುಭಿಕ್ಷವಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ.
कुंदन एंटीक विद पीपल पत्ती नेकलेस व्याह दे वास्ते पूरा पंजाब तुहाडे व्याह दियां गल्लां करेगा. पोल्की सेट फॉर द रिसेप्शन.
ഇതിട്ട് എൻ്റെ കുട്ടിയെ കണ്ട പയ്യന്റെ കണ്ണ് തള്ളും.
कई जुबान और कई अनुष्ठान, कई परंपराएं और कई संस्कार और हर रिश्ते की बस एक ही जज्बात। कल्याण ज्वेलर्स, भरोसा है सब कुछ है।
Apart from the overall message, I also enjoyed watching so many big names in an ad all together at once. The last time I saw such a star-studded ad was for the lockdown film We Are Family. Incidentally, that was also presented by Kalyan Jewellers in partnership with Sony Pictures Network India. And that's a wrap on this episode of Creative Picks. Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. And for your weekly dose of ad reviews, keep watching Creative Picks.